All right, go ahead.
Growing chefs teaching you today. Kids can cook in every way. In this kitchen we come to play. What will we make today?
My name's Tim. I'm the chef over at the Beet Kitchen. I prepare meals for daycares and schools around the city of London, including Montessori, Le Ribben Bell, Waldorf, and a few others. I started learning to cook when I was in university to pay my bills, and it was super fun. And then I worked jobs to make money, and they were less fun. So then I ended up wanting to cook again, and I came right back to it. I learned how to cook out of necessity because I didn't know how to prepare food, and I thought it was rather silly to just be opening jars of things. Why is it important for kids to know how to cook food? Number one, impressing your partner. If you can cook, you're in there. People are happy, especially like your parents, everything. Anybody you can cook for, they're going to be so much more happy with you. You should know how to cook so that you can understand what you're eating when you go to a restaurant, what you're buying at the grocery store. You know, these kind of things are important, like nutrition and contents and all that. Using food as well, I mean, just using anything from the garden, from the farm, just knowing how to use that stuff instead of looking at it and go, I don't know what this is. I mean, kids should know what this food is. They should know how to prepare these kind of meals.
Growing chefs.